Welcome back to Reviews Inside TV, where we give you the inside scoop on all the latest products. Today, we're talking about the BLACK+DECKER Carpet Sweeper, model HFS 105J J10, a lightweight and versatile floor sweeper that promises up to 50 minutes of cleaning power. This device is designed to make quick work of sweeping jobs without the hassle of cords, giving you the freedom to clean wherever you need. But does it live up to the promises? Let's take a closer look at how this model performs in real-world scenarios. The BLACK+DECKER Carpet Sweeper is engineered for multi-surface use, making it an excellent option for quick cleanups on various flooring types, from carpets to hard floors. What stands out about this model is its easy one-handed operation, thanks to its lightweight design and lithium-ion battery. This sweeper weighs in at just a few pounds, which means it's incredibly easy to maneuver and carry around, especially for quick touch-ups between full vacuuming sessions. Whether you're dealing with fine dust on hardwood floors or crumbs on your kitchen tiles, this sweeper is ready to go. The 50-minute runtime gives you ample time for cleaning most areas in your home without needing to recharge. This is a solid feature if you're cleaning large spaces or moving between rooms. The built-in LED indicator is a handy touch. It lets you quickly check the battery status so you know when it's time to recharge, without having to guess or worry about running out of power mid-clean. One of the key features is the swivel head. The sweeper easily swivels to help you clean around furniture, under beds, and in tight spaces without much effort. It lies flat, allowing you to slide it under furniture and reach those tricky spots where dust and debris tend to accumulate. This is especially useful for cleaning in spaces where traditional vacuums might struggle or be too bulky to fit. Emptying the sweeper is hassle-free too. Simply press a button and the dirt dumps directly into the trash. No mess, no fuss. This makes it a very hands-off cleaning tool that's easy to maintain. The self-standing design is another thoughtful addition, allowing you to park the sweeper upright when not in use. This is a simple feature, but it makes a huge difference in terms of convenience and storage, especially if you're tight on space. In practical use, this BLACK+DECKER sweeper shines when it comes to maneuverability. It's so lightweight that you can glide it around your home with one hand, which is perfect for cleaning up smaller messes quickly without the need for a full vacuum session. On carpet, it picks up debris fairly well, but don't expect it to handle deeply embedded dirt or pet hair like a full-sized vacuum would. It works best for surface-level cleaning and light debris. On hard floors, it does a decent job picking up dust and crumbs, and it works well in areas like kitchens or living rooms where spills can happen frequently. There are a few limitations, though. While the sweeper is great for quick cleanups, its 50-minute battery life may not be enough for larger homes or more intensive cleaning jobs. If you're planning on doing a deep clean or tackling larger areas, the battery might run out before you're finished. Additionally, the performance on high-pile carpets is somewhat limited. This is more suited for low to medium pile carpets or hard floors. One area that could be improved is its suction power compared to traditional vacuums. While the sweeper does a great job picking up surface dirt and light debris, it can't match the deep suction power of a corded or more powerful cordless vacuum. So, if you're looking for something that can really get into thick carpet fibers, you might need to consider another option. When it comes to value for money, the BLACK+DECKER Carpet Sweeper is priced affordably, especially considering its performance as a lightweight, cordless solution for smaller cleaning tasks. If you're in the market for something easy to use for quick pickups in between vacuuming sessions, this model offers solid value. However, if you need a full cleaning solution that can handle more demanding tasks or larger homes, you might want to explore alternatives with more power and larger dustbin capacities. Now, if we look at some direct competitors in this space, alternatives like the Shark Navigator Freestyle or the Bissell Power Edge offer similar lightweight designs, but with slightly better performance on carpets. The Shark Navigator Freestyle, for example, provides more suction power, making it a better option for dealing with embedded debris in carpets. However, it comes at a higher price point and may not offer the same battery life as the BLACK+DECKER. In terms of build quality, The sweeper feels solid and well constructed, but the plastic parts aren't as premium as what you might find on higher-end models. It's lightweight, which is great for handling, but some users may prefer a sturdier build, especially when it comes to the mechanism for emptying the dustbin. Still, for its price range, it's built to last long enough for regular home use. Maintenance is relatively easy with the BLACK+DECKER Carpet Sweeper. The bin is simple to empty, and there aren't any bags or filters to replace. You will need to clean the brush roll occasionally, especially if you have long hair or pet hair, but overall, there's not much upkeep involved. As for longevity, there aren't many long-term reports to speak of, but based on BLACK+DECKER's reputation for reliable small appliances, this sweeper should hold up well with regular use. Now, as for customer support, BLACK+DECKER is generally known for decent customer service. While we didn't need to test it with this model, the company typically offers a warranty and responsive support for its products, so you can expect a reasonable level of after-sales service if needed. To wrap things up, the BLACK+DECKER Carpet Sweeper is an excellent choice if you need something quick, lightweight, and easy to use for surface-level cleaning. It's perfect for smaller homes, apartments, or anyone who needs to quickly clean up after themselves without the hassle of pulling out a heavy vacuum. However, if you're looking for something with more power or battery life for deeper cleanse, you might want to look at other options in the same price range. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or thoughts about the BLACK+DECKER Carpet Sweeper, feel free to drop a comment below. The link to get your hands on one is in the comments box. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our reviews. Until next time, goodbye, and remember, there's always a better clean waiting around the corner with Reviews Inside TV.